performing payroll tasks within Xero Canada is notably straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, access your Xero account and head to the Payroll section. If you haven't initiated payroll yet, the system will guide you through the setup process, which involves entering crucial business, tax, and employee details. Once payroll is established, proceed to add your employees to Xero, inputting their personal particulars like name, address, social insurance number, employment specifics, and pay rates. Next, create pay templates tailored to different employee categories such as salaried, hourly, and contractors. These templates should encompass all relevant pay components like rates, allowances, deductions, and statutory holiday pay. To execute pay runs, navigate to the Payroll menu and select the Pay Runs option. Initiate a new pay run, choose the employee you're paying, and input their hours worked, vacation taken, and any other pertinent details. Review the pay run summary for accuracy and then finalize it. Following finalization, you can remunerate your employees via direct deposit through Xero or, if necessary, print physical paychecks. Xero automates the generation of pay stubs for each employee, which can be distributed electronically via email or in printed form. Additionally, Xero calculates payroll taxes based on the information provided during setup. Ensure timely remittance of these taxes to the Canada Revenue Agency in adherence to their guidelines and deadlines. It's imperative to accurately calculate and deduct statutory contributions like employee insurance and Canada pension plan contributions from employee paychecks. Stay abreast of changes in Canadian payroll legislation to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Xero offers an array of payroll reports to help track expenses, tax obligations, and employee earnings over time. Utilize reports such as payroll summary, payroll activity, and employee details for comprehensive payroll management. Should you encounter uncertainties or require assistance with payroll compliance, consider consulting with a qualified accountant or payroll specialist for guidance.